Welcome everyone, Dr. Thor here, and I'm going to show you two more very exciting products, and we're using our, of course, exclusive Radionic design, which now you can get on a watch, and you can get on a pocket watch, which basically these are little Radionic machines. Not only are they cool and functional, and of course this is a beautiful watch. It has a genuine leather watch band. It's very nice and soft. It's well made. It's a good 1.5 inches from the e-watch factory. Movement made in Japan. It's a good watch. It keeps excellent time. I've been using this now for about 6 months, testing it out and so forth. And it's great. And look at how attractive that is. And it's really cool. It's a conversation piece, but what you have here is a tool. Again, this is a thought form amplifying symbolic design. And of course, all of the real manifestation that goes on is all done through symbology. So here you have our design. Right on there. So, I mean, you can wear this throughout the day. Not only is cool and is it a good watch, and I'm a fan of watches personally. I don't like using my phone for time. It's very inconvenient to keep pulling your phone out. But what you've got here is a portable, wearable manifesting machine. So, what you do, of course, I'm wearing my latest watch here, which I do love, and it sure does make you feel good. The Tesla watch. So check these out. Very rare. Don't even know how long these will be available. But let me take that off. But what you've got here is you wear this like a regular watch. But now you have what would be considered a piece of armor, a manifesting amulet. So you put this on, and of course, you've got this. So let's say you want to go into a place, you want to meet someone, you want to get a job, whatever it may be. You go in there, and then you put this is the in plate up here, and this is the out plate. So basically, you get 2 fingers here, and you put it on these plates, and you send the energy in here. I want to meet this person. I want this job. I want a discount. Whatever it is you're trying to do. I'm driving home and icy roads. Protect me. And what you've done there is you've just sent a manifesting energy field out to yourself. And what's nice about this is you're getting a little bit of an electronic kick, because as that goes into this battery-powered energy field here, this watch runs on a DC, which is direct current battery that's in there, which, by the way, you can easily replace yourself. Watches, you don't need to spend money to do that. You can get the batteries very inexpensively, and you just kind of pop the back off. Very, very easy to do. And but you've got a manifesting machine there, and look at how cool that is. So you can certainly do that, have it with you all the time in a convenient way, and you got to think, whatever you need, you just need to put your 2 fingers there, and boom, send the energy in there. And we have another little manifesting machine here. I've always been a fan of pocket watches, because a lot, maybe you don't want to wear something on your wrist all the time. So depends the kind of clothing you wear and other things. You can actually put this in a vest, a pocket, a bag, whatever you're carrying. I think that these are great tools. And of course, they're nice because you can close them up and put them anywhere. Put them in a bag, a pocket, whatever you may be carrying, and it's kind of nice. Now, again, you've got typical pocket watch design. These are very attractive, nice watches. I must say they are made very well for the money. Now, this is a protective plastic here, and you can pull that off. It comes in this beautiful little box. The actual watch comes in a plastic tube, but the watch comes in. So if you want to give this as a present to somebody, man, it's well done that these custom things are made. Let me show you where the watch comes in one of these nice little plastic tubes here. which are quite nice. I actually put my glasses in these things now, but you can put any watch in there as well. You just kind of pop it in and put this on, and you've got a nice little holder for your regular pocket watch here to keep it in nice condition. But with this, again, you can do it two ways. What I like to do with this one is, of course, you can use the fingers, but let's say you're going out and you wanted to meet the perfect person. So you take this, you put it in there. That's your thought form. You basically do the usual. I want to meet the perfect person. Visualize that person only for a few seconds. Any longer is a waste of time. And then, of course, you can put this here over this. And you could put a little photograph if you wanted to, let's say, influence a particular person, send energy to a person that you care about. Maybe you want to protect them. You want to send prosperity in. Maybe they're sick and not feeling good. You could put the person's energies, the person's picture there. And then you could put the picture there, then send healing energies to you. And going through the two plates again. Again, here's the in plate, here's the out plate. But you put your little command like this on the watch. There's a job success. If you're going for a job interview, you can say, well, gee, I want to get that job. So job success. And then you close it. The paper, I think, is a little big here. And what you've done is you have a little radionic machine there. You've just created a machine, and the pocket watch is a radionic machine now. And you send that energy in there, and it's projecting. You know, you need, times are tough, people. You need every possible edge in life so that you can be successful, so you can take care of the people around you, so you can heal your mates, your family, your pets, whatever it may be. Send that energy to them. You know, it's so difficult. Yeah, it takes 2 seconds. Can it get any easier? That's the kind of tech I make. Powerful, effective technology that is super easy to use, and you use it within seconds. Yes, that's right. That's real technology, not the garbage you get from others and the frauds of regular society. And they're all in beautiful little packages, and this is both of these watches, this watch and this, are very reasonably priced. This is something that you should grab now. So what a little beautiful tool to have with you at all times that serves multi-purposes as a watch, as a little radionic projection machine. And as I said, you're getting that little electronic boost. It's kind of like also having an amplifier built into a little tool here, because that's what it is. You've got that little energy pulsing through the circuitry here. Through the actual watch, you've got that energy pulsating to run it so that obviously the watch works. That is amplifying the thought form that you just put in it. So what a fantastic tool that is. Super nice to have, beautiful designs, very high quality and well made. And you can get these at a very reasonable price, then have something you can use all the time. What a great present for somebody as well who's into some of this stuff or just wants a cool present. You know, people used to buy a lot of actual good luck charms, and people still buy it today. Stuff that's junk, that really doesn't do anything. But the bottom line is that you can actually have this type of tool that you can carry with you and use all the time. Keeps yourself in the consciousness of the moment as well, meaning the fact that, you know, you touch this, think about something, and you're empowering it. It's going into an electronic circuit. It's being amplified and projecting to your target. I mean, you just really can't ask for anything better than that. And as I said, you get this beautiful little box with this nice little thing here. I mean, it looks really nice, sits in here. Really high quality. The whole mechanism seems to be well made. The finish on it is well made. Everything here is well made. And you get all of this, comes direct to you from the manufacturer within a few weeks. These are not really, you don't have to wait a long time. And you have a very unique tool. But it's not just a a beautiful little watch. It's a fantastic tool that you can use every day and get everything in one purpose. Multi-purpose uses is just exciting. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you're interested, follow the link down below and you can order these. As I said, they're ready. Of course, these are made to order, but these are shipped out usually within 5 to 10 days, so there's no long wait here either. Hope you enjoyed. More coming.